Inside a factory, workers were operating a metal press machine. During the second cycle, one worker was late adjusting the material. The press came down while his hand was still too close. This highlights how dangerous even a short delay can be. Press machines need guards, safety systems, and proper coordination between workers. Inside a factory, a worker prepared to load materials into a running mixer. As he lifted the bag, the machine began pulling him closer. This close call showed the danger of working near active machinery. Mixers should always be shut down before loading materials. A worker was seated near a large rotating wheel on a machine. Due to a mechanical failure, the wheel suddenly detached and fell. This incident shows why regular inspections and safe distances are necessary. A worker stood beneath a heavy load being lifted by a crane. The load slipped and dropped without warning. He barely escaped in time. Standing under suspended loads should never happen, no matter the situation. Inside a factory, a woman was operating a large press machine. When the press opened, she stepped closer to adjust the material. Without warning, the machine activated and began closing again. What seemed like a routine task instantly became dangerous. This shows why press machines need proper guards, interlocks, and strict lockout procedures before any adjustment. Several workers were standing near high-pressure tanks inside a factory. Everything appeared normal until one tank suddenly ruptured. Flames and debris burst outward, forcing workers to flee. This incident highlights how dangerous pressurized equipment can be. Regular inspections, pressure relief systems, and maintenance are critical to prevent failures like this. In a workshop, a worker turned on a grinding machine. Instead of working, he leaned in and used the sparks to light a cigarette. What looked clever was actually extremely risky. Grinding sparks can ignite flammable materials in seconds. Machines should only be used for their intended purpose to avoid fires or injuries. Inside a home, a man stood on a ladder doing electrical work. He accidentally touched a live wire and received a shock. The jolt caused him to lose balance and fall. Even simple home repairs can turn dangerous without precautions. Power should always be shut off, proper tools used, and help nearby when working at height. In a steel pipe factory, a worker guided an overhead crane carrying heavy pipes. During the lift, a crane component suddenly came loose. The falling part struck near where the worker was standing. This shows how quickly crane failures can become deadly. Daily inspections and attention to unusual sounds or vibrations are essential. Along a busy road, a sewer worker was inside a maintenance opening. A nearby vehicle stopped close to the work zone. Suddenly, the driver moved forward without seeing the worker. The vehicle made contact before anyone could react. Clear barriers, warning signs, and traffic control are vital to protect roadside workers.